There are several ways to earn money through Instagram. Here are some common methods used by influencers and businesses. 1. Sponsored posts. Influencers with a significant following and engaged audience can collaborate with brands to create sponsored content. This involves promoting a brand, product, or service through posts, stories, or videos in exchange for payment or free products. 2. Brand partnerships. Influencers can establish long-term partnerships with brands, becoming brand ambassadors or brand advocates. These partnerships often involve creating content, attending events, or representing the brand in various capacities. 3. Affiliate marketing. Influencers can join affiliate marketing programs and promote products or services using unique referral links. They earn a commission for every sale or conversion generated through their affiliate links. 4. Product promotions. Influencers can develop and sell their own products, such as merchandise, e-books, online courses, or physical goods. They can promote these products directly to their audience, leveraging their influence and credibility. 5. Sponsored events and collaborations. Influencers can be invited to events, conferences, or product launches as guest speakers, panelists, or brand representatives. They may receive payment, travel expenses, or other benefits for their participation. 6. Content creation for brands. Skilled photographers, videographers, or content creators can offer their services to businesses and brands looking for high-quality visual content for their marketing campaigns or social media presence. 7. Instagram Live or IGTV ads. Eligible creators on Instagram can monetize their Instagram live streams or IGTV videos through ads. These ads generate revenue based on views or ad impressions. 8. Influencer marketing agencies. Influencers can partner with influencer marketing agencies that connect them with brands looking for collaborations. These agencies handle negotiation, contracts, and payments on behalf of the influencer. 9. Sell digital products or services. Instagram can serve as a platform to promote and sell digital products like online courses, coaching services, graphic design templates, or personalized digital content. 10. Sponsored contests or giveaways. Influencers can team up with brands to host contests or giveaways on their Instagram accounts. This helps brands increase exposure and engagement, while influencers may receive compensation or free products for hosting the giveaway. It's important to disclose sponsored content and comply with Instagram's guidelines and regulations regarding promotions and advertising. Building a strong and engaged following, creating high-quality content, and establishing relationships with brands in your niche are key factors in earning money on Instagram. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.